Okay, let's talk about money and the philosophy of money. Now, why are people poor? A lot of people are poor today because they don't understand the rule of money. Because they don't understand what money is meant for. And for you to make money, you must change your beliefs about money. You must understand the use of money. You must understand how to multiply your money and grow your money. So if you want to make a lot of money, you must understand the reason why you need money. I've seen a lot of people who make so much money, and after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of broke. Because they don't have a plan for the money even before they make it. As we are all sitting down here today, have a plan for your money before they come. So that when the money comes, you don't spend your money on the wrong things. I will tell you this. The most difficult money to make is your first 1 million. The moment you make 1 million, it becomes easier to make 2 million, to make 10 million, to make 100 million. But it will be easier if you already have a plan for your money. So as you are building this business, have a plan for your money. What is your relationship with money? If you want to build the right relationship with money, you must have an abundant mindset. That money can be made. See, the reason why many people are not succeeding in our business, when the presenter comes in here and show you the maximum per day, some people, even though they are in business, they never believe it's possible it can be made. True or true? Inside their mind, they are asking, is it really? Are people really making this money? After all, I've been in this business for 1 year. I have never been able to maximize one account. I'm not sure this is real. You see, doubt has killed more dreams than anything. So you must eliminate scarcity mindset. You must welcome abundance. You must live in the abundance. You see, your mind is a powerful weapon that can help you to determine how your future can be. If your mind is saying scarcity every day, if it's never enough every day, you will always live in scarcity. But when your mind tells you there's an abundance, you see a point in your life will come, you begin to live like a millionaire. Because that is what your mind has programmed. So program your mind for abundance. See, when you have an abundant mindset, You will not struggle with downlines. You will not poach downlines. We all know what poaching is. Do we know what poaching is? Poaching downlines. What's poaching? Poaching means stealing another person's prospect. Have you guys experienced that here? You invited someone. Before you come, another person has signed the person. You see, if anyone is doing that, that means they have a scarcity mindset. Because there is a law that says whatever we be, we be. Alright, if you have an abundant mindset, definitely you will have abundance. Are we together? So your relationship with money must be in a lot of abundance. The next point, attract money. Attract. Draw money to come to you. Every day when you wake up in the morning, when you finish dressing up, go to your mirror. Look at the mirror and tell yourself, the millionaire is about to go out today, and he is about to Are we together? Attractive. Be positive. You see, how you know you are attracting money also reflects in your life and how you live your life. When you have a business meeting, maybe a prospect, a very big prospect, where do you take them? Let's say it's on a Sunday and the office is not going to open. So where do you take them? Do you take them to some downtown restaurants in town? Where they sell a cup of coffee for 100 bob? Or you go to 4 Point Sheraton in your suit and ask your prospect to sit down and you have a business conversation. I know you might not have the money to fund that, but I will tell you something for a fact, it's not that expensive. When I was building the business, when I scheduled a meeting with the prospect, a very big guy, we go to a very fancy restaurant. When we both sit, I order for water and lemon. And I tell my prospect, try water and lemon. Very new for you. Because I know I don't have the big money. I cannot afford the coffee. But the abundance in my head tells me the more I come to this place to start my journey. One day I will come here and sleep here. Today when I travel, I don't just sleep in hotel because I want to sleep. I sleep in hotels where people like me should be found. Yes. But I will tell you, when I was starting the business, I couldn't afford it. But I've always gone there. The more I go there and see, the more my mind opens to more abundance. The more my mind tells me it is possible. So attract money. Speak positively into your own life. Walk, talk like a millionaire that you are. You are preparing yourself in the spirit, and soonest that you expected it will manifest. So attract money, don't repair money. So what are the best way to make money? There are a lot of ways. But for me, I choose leverage. There are people who have a job. But you see, we are living in a time where your jobs are not guaranteed. We are living in a time that is very volatile. That is very uncertain. That a lot of things are really happening at this time, so jobs are no longer guaranteed. But the best way I know to make money is through leverage. Tell your neighbor, leverage. Leverage is the ability to earn more money while you work less. Your network marketing opportunity or business helps you to leverage.